What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I want to do this video on Keep Rewarding. Okay, I want to do a cash out video and just to show you kind of some things you can do in this site to earn money. Okay, you see here I have 170 points, so I'm going to show you basically how I'm getting that. I got that this morning, and they have lots of offers, y'all. Lots of offers. I want to keep this video fairly short, but just basically just see what you want to do on this site. I mean, look at all these offers they have. This is one of the sites that has the most offer walls. All kind of surveys you can take, all kind of offers. You just kind of play around with it. For me personally, I love to do survey wall and live surveys. I bang out those. When I get to a point where I'm getting frustrated because I might not be qualifying for like 2 or 3 when I go through them, I go over to Peanut Labs. You get paid disqualification points for that one, and Theorem Reach, you get paid disqualification points for that one as well. Okay, Tap Research on this site doesn't pay disqualification points, but what I have found, not only on this site but lots of sites, that although sites might not give you disqualification points, they are still not difficult to qualify for. So don't run away from them, because I know a lot of people say, oh, they're not giving me disqualification points, so I'm not even going to attempt it anymore. Don't have that type of thinking. Tap Research is still a very, very good survey provider. The surveys are not hard to do and they're not long. So those are 2 good things to look for when you're doing surveys. The surveys that are not long, they're not hard, and you make good money with it. So Tap Research is definitely something I do as well. Those are mainly what I jump on every time I get on this site, but from time to time I like to go through and see what else I can do. As far as videos, I let my videos run in the background on this site, and that is with Hideout TV. I do that right there. Or the more TV time, I have a separate window and I'm letting those videos run in the background while I'm making money with it. Super Rewards, they have some good offers in there that are fairly easy, not difficult at all. No personal information will be collected from you in doing those things. And they also have their own survey, their own offer wall, Keep Rewarding. I think it's very cool when the site does that, because it's just showing you how invested they are into actually helping you make money and how invested they are with advertisers. Okay, so I'm going to do a cash out here. I'm going to go over to reward store. Wait for it to load up, and I'm going to do PayPal. I'm going to do $1. Okay, you see here with PayPal, they have $1, they have $5, they have $10. I'm gonna do the $1 one. Now it costs 110 points for me to do this $1, and the only reason I'm doing this now is I just want to show you kind of some cash out proof. I usually cash out at $5, but I've been busy on other sites lately, so I'm going to just show you that I'm still making money with Keep Rewarding. It's not something that I just stopped doing. But if you cash out at $5 or $10, you don't have to have an extra 10 points. You'll cash, like for $5, all you have to have is 500 points, and for $10, all you need is 1,000 points. Okay, so it's very simple. I'm going to enter my PayPal email here, and I'm going to request payment. And you see here my balance went down to 60 because my payment is actually pending right now. And that's basically what it is. So I'll get my money added to my PayPal account very soon. You see here at the top, the reward has been added to the pending list. We aim to process them within 7 working days, but like I tell you on other sites as well, it usually does not take that long. On this site, I usually get my money the same day. At the longest I think it's taken is like 3 days. That's the longest it's taken, but usually it's the same day or the very next day. So it's never taken 7 days to get my money with this site. All right, so Keep Rewarding. The link is in the description to sign up for this site. You can get a bonus when you sign up. They'll have lots of offers for you when you sign up with the link in the description. So make sure you do that, and make sure you start making money with it. Don't just sign up and not make money with it because you're being lazy and you're wondering why you're not making money, because you're not putting forth the effort. All right, so definitely jump on this site. Like I said, links in the description. Sign up, start making money with it, get that bonus, and start grinding with it. All right, very, very simple. Site that I use in my daily routine. I use this site every single day. I'm constantly cashing out with it, and you should too. All right, so Keep Rewarding. Links in the description, and remember, every penny counts.